Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. Are you having excessive hair breakage or excessive hair shedding? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a powerful natural home remedy that will help you reduce excessive shedding and breakage, and it will also help stimulate your scalp and also help you grow that healthy, luscious, thicker hair that you ever dreamt of. My name is Muna, and my channel is all about natural tips and tricks. I also help you grow healthy, luscious, beautiful hair. If that is what you like, please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button, and do not forget to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it will help me with the YouTube algorithm. Without further preambles, let's get started. So our first ingredient that we're going to be using today is our black tea. Black tea is very beneficial for the hair in that black tea helps block DHT, which is responsible for hair loss and excessive shedding. The next ingredient is also lavender. Lavender is another amazing herb that also benefits our hair so much in that it promotes hair growth and prevents hair shedding and key hair lice. And the third ingredient we are going to be using is our parsley. Parsley is one herb that is actually underrated in the natural hair community, but aside using it for your meals, you also need to use it for your hair, because parsley contains high amounts of copper, which helps to retain hair's natural color and other amazing benefits, which I'll be explaining as we go further. Please do well to watch to the end. Now I went ahead to measure 1 tablespoonful of each of my herbs. So each of my herbs respectively, I measured 1 tablespoonful of lavender. I also measured 1 tablespoonful of my black tea, and then 1 tablespoonful of our parsley. Sisters, you all need to try this recipe. I am not lying to you guys. I've used this recipe and it has helped me greatly. If you look at my before and after picture, you will see that this thing is really beneficial when it comes to reducing breakage and excessive hair shedding. So you do well to mix them together. After mixing all the herbs together in your mixing bowl, the next thing you will do now is to infuse your herbs. So I went ahead to add hot water. So add hot water into your bowl. Please let the water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. After adding hot water to the bowl, I usually leave it to infuse for about 45 to 24 hours. 45 minutes to 24 hours. It all depends on what you like. Even you can use the second method, which is the boiling method. You can put everything in your pot and then you boil. Whatever method that suits you, you can go ahead to do it. So I stirred well. After stirring, then I would cover it and allow it to steep for about 45 minutes to 24 hours. This tea will definitely help you reduce shedding, reduce excessive breakage, and grow your hair, because all the herbs I use here are very wonderful herbs that help with DHT blocking. Like black tea, according to research, they claim that the caffeine found in black tea can reach hair follicles to block DHT, which is the hormone that is linked to hair loss in people with a condition known as androgenic alopecia. Black tea also helps to block that hormone that is responsible for hair shedding. It also strengthens our delicate strands. What about parsley? Parsley contains a high amount of copper, which helps to retain hair's natural color. It can be applied topically or also can be taken in large amounts in our diet. It's also highly beneficial to promote hair growth. Aside that, parsley helps to fight hair loss because it contains a compound called apigenin, an antioxidant that helps control hair fall and promote healthier and stronger hair. Then I went ahead to add my MSM powder and MSM is a sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties. According to research also, MSM sulfur can form bonds essential to strengthening hair and also influencing hair growth. It's also very effective with hair growth and also retention, because MSM also helps to do what? Elongate the anagen phase, which is the growth phase. So the use of MSM will help us achieving two things: growth and also retention. And you know that these two terminologies are very vital when it comes to growing a healthy hair. So I am done now sieving my herbs. I finished sieving it now. So it's time to apply the our hair growth breakage defense spray or mixture. I have about two of them. I'm going to be sharing the other one subsequently in subsequent video. Please let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried using black tea, and if you've ever tried MSM at any time in any of your recipe. Did you add it in your spray? Do you drink your MSM, or how do you use your MSM? Please leave a comment. Please leave your comments in the comment section and let me know all about what you use your MSM for. So after now, my hair, my twist has been like, I think this old twist, chunky twist. So I went ahead to start spraying this our hair growth spray, or breakage defense spray that will help you reduce excessive hair shedding and breakage drastically. So you do well to please apply it not just on your hair strands but also on your scalp, and massage it thoroughly on the scalp. Massage it thoroughly like so on your scalp, so it can help stimulate blood flow to your scalp and also help block that DHT production. So, and then the black tea, aside that, adds shine to our hair. And do you know that black tea can also help when it comes to graying? Black tea helps to do what? To reduce hair graying. Yes, it reduces hair graying. So it's another, it has a lot of benefits aside blocking DHT, which is the cause of excessive hair loss as well. And then lavender, especially now that the weather is kind of hot, we need to use lavender either as an essential oil, as a herb, or as an oil, because it helps to do what? It helps to prevent or even kill hair lice, which can be prevalent this season. And then most of us that use public salons, we have to be very careful as well. So this recipe will go a long way in helping you as well. So after spraying my hair growth and hair breakage defense tea, I went ahead to apply my leave-in conditioner. After that, now I'm going to apply my flaxseed gel, which is a plant-based humectant. If you want to see how I did this flaxseed gel, please do well to click on the cards above, or you do well to click in the description box. I will be leaving the link below. So after applying my flaxseed gel is amazing. You guys need to watch that video, please. You will see that's the best DIY ever on how you can make your flaxseed gel with so many benefits. So black flaxseed also help to reduce hair breakage as well, and it strengthens the strands at the same time. So after applying my flaxseed, I went ahead now to seal it up with my hair butter from Aphrodisiac hair butter. I went ahead to seal it up with my hair butter. I also made another amazing hair butter, which I'll be leaving the video. Maybe that will be the next video, or let me know any video you want us to talk about, so in our next topic. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, to join the family. And please do give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family. And also, whenever you try any of my recipe, please always come and leave a review below. Let me know how well these recipes are working for you all, because it's working for me, and I'm very confident that it will also work for you too. It might not be 100% because everybody has different growth rates, which we'll be discussing in other subsequent topics as well. So I went ahead to twist my hair. I did a chunky twist. I like doing chunky twists. That's actually my signature style. If you follow me on Instagram at @FroliciouSMuna, you will know that's my signature style. And I always share a lot of tips and tricks also on my Instagram. So after, I think this is after like more than 7 days of carrying my chunky twist, so I went ahead to turn it into a bomb twist style, so you can see that shine, that spray, the butter, the flag, everything. See how my hair, I did not even re-moisturize for 7 days. See how my hair is looking so luscious. So thank you all so much for watching. Bye.